Hi guys, welcome to another At Home with Amy. Today we're spending a little time together at home, getting things done, taking care of the family, and of course making some time for self-care. And speaking of taking care of ourselves, today's video is sponsored by Mochi Health. One thing I've really been focusing on lately is taking better care of myself, not chasing perfection, but building little habits that help me feel like the best version of myself. For me, that looks like making time for movement, preparing meals at home, taking care of my family, and I think that's something that's really important to remember. Everyone's wellness journey looks different. What works for one person may not be what someone else needs. While I personally am not using obesity medication, I know there are people who are looking for additional support, professional guidance when it comes to their health and wellness goals. Mochi Health is a telehealth platform that connects adults with licensed healthcare professionals who can provide personalized care, medical guidance, and treatment plans based on individual needs and goals. I really appreciate the idea of having access to personalized care and medical oversight because there isn't a one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to our health. If you've been interested in learning more about personalized weight loss solutions and medically supervised support, I'll have my referral link in the description below. And if you check out Mochi through my link, you'll receive $40 off of your first month. As always, I encourage you to choose what's best for your own health and wellness journey, but I wanted to share this resource in case it may be helpful to someone in our community. Now let's get into our day. I just took a whole everything shower. I need to open this door before I pass out in here. I got my bummy clothes on because I'm planning on editing, cleaning, add a little bit more because I put some before I got dressed, but scent of the day, MAC Turquoise. It's not even 9 o'clock yet, but I'm so used to getting up early and showering in the morning and stuff, so when if I don't do that, I don't feel right. So yeah, I have some editing. I'm gonna do my makeup because I've been having so much fun with makeup. Again, if you're in the mind of a creative, you know that there are off times and there are on times. And during off times, you think that you lost your spark, you don't know what's happening, and then all of a sudden it turns back on and you have 1,000 ideas. So we're back on. We're back on. Even though I am gonna rest this weekend for sure, I gotta give my house some love because it's pretty messy and unorganized. So those are the plans for this weekend, and I'll just bring you guys along so that I can have another vlog with you guys. Alright guys, so let's go do some shopping together. I had every intention to make this vlog much longer, but then I lost one of my fur babies. I'm just gonna put together these clips and then I have another one coming up that will be much longer and just more organized. But I took this day to go smell some new perfumes and honestly, none of them caught my attention. I did not like those Mugler Mist, but then the Squishmallows perfume, or however you say it, my daughter loves that. That purple one reminds me of the L'Oreal shampoos that I was talking about, so I felt in love and I want to get that one. I didn't get it this day, but I definitely have it on my wish list. I picked up some new elf makeup. I tried those mists from Sol de Janeiro and I did not like those either. I've had them recommended to me, but none of them were good in my opinion. And then I did pick up some press-on nails because you guys know that I love to use press-on nails, and these brands right here, I usually use Glamnetic, but I got some of these and they were so impressive and lasted really long. What's that? What is that? These are for you! Hi, Lolita! Dog treats? Okay, no, we gotta eat first. We gotta eat. So in this part of the vlog, I took out all of the cushion covers on my sofa. I washed them and we were just putting them together. My husband made the best steak I have ever tried in my life, so I was so happy. And I think this is one of the last videos I have with Lola here with us. We have had a lot of little animal visits ever since Lola left us. Little baby bunnies, we had a bobcat that came to our house, butterflies. So we spent a lot of these days just taking the kids to have fun, trying to distract them because the kids, you know, it's hard on them too. We brought them to the pool, we did a little tanning. If you are Puerto Rican, you know my snack was the best. All right, so this day I was just doing some shopping at Trader Joe's because my husband was gonna go on a work trip. So I wanted to make sure that the house was cleaned up, the fridge was organized. So I was just cleaning counters. I'm kind of showing you what I do, let's say like on a Sunday when I'm trying to reset for the week. I know this vlog is all over the place, I keep saying it, but just wanted to share these little clips with you guys. I found these beautiful flowers and I love just picking random flowers and then creating arrangements with them. So this is what I'm doing in this video. I found just the most prettiest flowers. I'm so sorry if I'm unorganized, but if you didn't see my last video, one of my fur babies did pass away, and this vlog just, I was about to just delete it, but I know that you guys enjoy the vlogs and I really just like everything that I filmed, so I figured I would just hang out with you guys, do a voiceover, and yeah, this is just what I was doing this day. I mean, I had a lot of days where I was just distracting myself, trying not to think about everything that happened. Time heals wounds, but that's something that's always going to hurt when I think about, and I'm always going to love her and miss her, and these little flowers are dedicated to my beautiful Lola. Now I'm gonna do a little Trader Joe's haul. I pick up these sour cream and onion rings. They're so good. They're lentil and rice snacks. My husband thinks they're disgusting. I think they're really good. And I picked these up for my daughter because I don't like to give her coloring, and Trader Joe's doesn't have coloring. The Gone Berry Crazy strawberries, that's like my little treat at night with some Greek yogurt. And then I got some alkaline water with electrolytes for hydration. These hot and sweet jalapenos are my favorite. They're so freaking good. I got olive oil spray and my total was $40. Ooh, I also picked up some of these so that we can make the house smell really good. It's one of my favorite things to do after I give the house a nice clean. So I was just getting them ready to go ahead and spread them all over the house. I also wanted to take a quick moment to thank all of you guys who left me the most beautiful comments on Lola. I appreciate it, and I'm so happy to have a community like you guys because I truly feel the love. To end this vlog, I was just gonna make some Puerto Rican food. So I'm showing you guys how I make some arroz con salchichas, which is like a basic just comfort meal in our home. So it is pretty much yellow rice with the salchichas in there, and I put all of the seasonings, sazon, adobo, garlic powder, onion powder, sofrito, tomato sauce, pretty much the whole kitchen up in there. And then you mix it up with some water, you let it dry down a little bit, cover it up for 20 minutes after you mix it. Then I had my little pork chops ready to get seasoned, so I'm just kind of showing you what I use. I love this seasoning, but sometimes it's a little hard to find. You can just use regular seasoning, but here is the finished meal, and now you're gonna see why I do a lot of voiceovers, because our house is just very silly.
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Haboob is happening right now.
This was our first time seeing like one of those sandstorms, and the whole house pretty much like turned orange. So it was pretty cool and crazy at the same time. And that was our evening. Hubby always helps me to put the food away after I'm done cooking. Love him so much. And then my husband went on a trip. So then what I did with the girls was we just had girl time, movie night. We did some mass, and that's kind of what I've been up to. So this is just catching you guys up on how my life has been going, and just making sure to keep the girls happy and having fun, because all of this happened in the middle of summer break. So yeah, everyone is doing great now, and now I am ready to start a new vlog, and I have so much fun content coming up very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all the love.